With me?
Yep.
Yep.
Awesome. Break off.
Does this latch up here have to be in a certain position?
It has to go back. When it, well, no, leave it forward for now
gotcha.
until we
right.
close it.
I'm with you.
Okay. You guys probably eat at Tin Goose on a motorcycle, don't you?
Oh yeah, we've been there before.
Gonna do a run up and a mag check. You can probably shut the door. Grab it, no, don't grab there. Grab on the lower one. That one there, you'll tear it right off. Slam it until it stays. Is it shut? Okay. Now push that back until it clicks. There you go.
Got it.
Okay. Okay. You're an engine guy. It's got 8 spark plugs. It's a 4-cylinder. It's got 2 spark plugs per cylinder. Each cylinder has got 1 plug that runs off one magneto and 1 plug off another magneto in case the magneto fails.
Gotcha. So
what I was just doing, I take it up to 1800 RPMs. Right now we're running on both. I'm going to turn it to left, and you're going to get a drop in RPM because it's only running off of 1 spark plug.
Gotcha.
You want to make sure, that's how you tell both mags are working.
All right.
All right. All right. Shelby traffic, Cherokee 4257 Julie. It's departing 18 Shelby. Okay, fuel pump back on. Sure rich. Here we go. $40 mile an hour. 50. 60. There's 70.
Marion traffic, glider code 20, glider away about a half a mile west of the field at 4,000, Marion.
How you guys doing?
Good.
Good. This is so freaking cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I like taking new people.
What altitude do you cruise at?
I don't know. I'll probably go up to 2,500 or 3,000 feet. That's sea level. That's not above the ground here.
Gotcha.
Shelby's elevation is 1120, so subtract 1120 off of 2,500 and you get what, 1,400-ish?
Right.
All right. Trevor, there's a vent. If you twist that, you'll get air in if you're getting warm. Then you can point that wherever you want.
All right, awesome.
I think that one's open, okay.
Feel any of that, Jules?
What?
Can you feel any of the air?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm good.
I cranked her open there a little bit. That feels good. I like it. Everything's so brown, dude.
I know.
What golf course is that over there on the right?
That's Woody.
Is that Woody?
Yep.
Wow. That's where I golf.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That's Woody Ridge. All right, Trevor, it's all yours, man.
No, no.
Come on.
No.
You can't kill us.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
That's all right. Maybe next time.
Sure?
Oh, yeah.
All right. I thought on the way home after we left here, I like to get 3 landings when I fly. I have to get 3 landings every 90 days to stay current. So what I'll do a lot of times after I go up here is I do a touch and go in Mansfield before I go back to Shelby.
Oh, cool.
So we can go and land at Mansfield. I can put 3 landings in my logbook and I'm good for another 90 days.
You'll get to hear me scream twice.
3 times.
3 times.
970 X-ray, clear the active 1001.
Maybe it's round.
Yeah, it is. Perfectly.
And a lake like that is a good indicator of where the wind's coming from. When we get up here, you should be able to see the lines. If there's any wind and there's no windsock available, you can always look at water and tell what direction the wind's coming from.
Yeah, just by the ripples.
Yeah. Like, see that it's dead calm, clear up against the far side?
Yeah.
That tells me it's coming this way.
Okay.
Because it's not disturbing the water until it gets past the hump on the one side. And you can almost see the streaks in the water coming this way.
Huh. I'll be damned.
Or you can look for somebody burning something. Water is a really good indicator though. Because you can have quite different wind directions between up here and Shelby.
Yeah.
I'm guessing we're going to use runway 9. But I haven't heard anybody else flying in or out of here yet.
Port Clinton traffic.
Here we go.
4050, turning down 1 runway 9, Port Clinton.
Okay, we're using 9. That grassy area right over there on the other side of the bay is the airport.
Gotcha. I see it. Now, do you have to contact them before your takeoff as far as the flight plan or anything like that?
No, we're flying without a flight plan. We're just flying VFR, visual flight rules, which means see and avoid. You can fly wherever you want. You've got to not hit anybody else. Those are the rules.
Right base, runway 10, middle bound.
So when I get up here another mile or two, I'm going to announce our position and what our intentions are. Now when we fly into Mansfield, I'll have to contact Mansfield Approach, and that's controlled airspace, and I have to do what they tell me to do.
Yeah.
But here I tell people what my intentions are, and they know where to look for me in the sky. Like now we're 5 miles out, so I'm going to make an announcement. Port Clinton traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet, 5 to the south, inbound for 9, Port Clinton. And once we get into the traffic pattern up here, I will announce our position in the traffic pattern so people that are in the pattern know where to look for us. Port Clinton traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet, crosswind for 9, Port Clinton.
And Fornus R22 is downwind, runway 19, be a low approach. Right back.
Big freighter out there hauling rocks.
Yep. Don't look so big from over here.
I know.
Monterey County traffic, 15 Yankee glider release.
I think we're going right over the African Wildlife Safari.
Oh, really?
Do you see it below us? A little zigzaggy road? We might be right on top of it.
Yep,
Okay, right down here. Yep.
You got it?
Yep.
Hawaii County traffic, 76476 Tango. 7 miles.
I'm downwind for runway 19, County.
Lenawee County traffic, 15 Yankees across wind for runway 29, Lenawee County.
The sun's bright. All right, here we go. Port Clinton traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's left downwind, 9 Port Clinton.
Lenawee County traffic, left to 12 Charlie, left crosswind 23 downwind.
Rank due.
What's that? Trim. That trims up. The nose drops.
4 miles to the north.
As soon as I cut the power, the nose will drop if I don't trim it up. Port Clinton traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's turning base, 9 Port Clinton. Flaps will slow us down.
Erie, Ottawa traffic, amp 10, SR22 is about 4 miles to the north for 45 to left downwind runway 9, Erie, Ottawa.
He's coming in here. This is Erie, Ottawa, and Port Clinton, the same place. Port Clinton traffic 57 Juliet's final, 9 Port Clinton. I see those 4 lights that are white on the left. That's a glide slope indicator, which is telling me I'm high. The lower I come down, the 2 of them should turn red on the right. And that lets me know I'm on the glide slope.
Traffic amp 12 is downwind. Runway 9, touch and goes. Erie, Ottawa.
There's the one on the far right. There you go.
There you go.
This is the glide slope you want to be on. I was high.
Easy.
There we go. Cheated death again.
Erie, Ottawa traffic, amp 10, SR22 is number 2, left downwind runway 09, Erie, Ottawa.
There he is right there.
Just so you know, I was screaming like a little girl on the inside.
Were you?
Yeah, yeah.
Come on. Erie, Ottawa 57 Juliet's clear 9.